I'm Khushi and welcome to day 3 of 24 days to 24. Today is going to be really exciting because I am going to be dyeing my hair for the first time by myself, alone. Honestly, I feel like it's going to be okay. Like, what could go wrong, right? I did not plan this through. I'm using Birds of Paradise. This is red. Also that time of the month, Khushi, don't say that. White. I think it's gonna be better. I look like a crime scene. Done. I did. It's been 45 minutes. I'm gonna take a shower and we'll see. Okay, this is what it looks like after. Honestly, it's not that bad. Like, is it? It's good. I'm gonna see you tomorrow.